Ready to fuel your crypto journey? I'm going to walk you through adding funds to your Coinbase account on your desktop, step by simple step. First, head to Coinbase.com and log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Coinbase dashboard. Look for the Add Funds button. It might also say Deposit or have a plus sign icon. Click on it. Now you'll see a list of available payment methods. Coinbase typically supports bank transfers, debit cards, and sometimes wire transfers. Select the option that works best for you. Keep in mind that bank transfers might take a few days to process. If you choose a bank transfer, you'll likely be prompted to link your bank account. Follow the on-screen instructions, which might involve using a service like Plaid to securely connect your bank. For debit card deposits, you'll need to enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Double-check that all the information is accurate. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit. You can either select a preset amount or type in a custom value. Be aware of any minimum or maximum deposit limits that Coinbase might have. Before finalizing the deposit, review the transaction details carefully. This screen will show you the amount you're depositing, the payment method, and any associated fees. If everything looks good, confirm the deposit. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that your deposit is processing. The processing time varies depending on the payment method. And that's it. Once the deposit is complete, you'll see the funds reflected in your Coinbase account balance. Now you're ready to dive into the world of crypto.